Hello guys, I got my starter kit. Just definitely want to show you what it looks like. You're going to get it definitely in this brown envelope right here, okay guys? It's going to come in professional, first class mail. Alright, you're going to pull this out. It's an envelope that has the address, your ID, and where it's going. It already has a stamp on there, and you can put your $80 right in this envelope. Can you believe that? It's already set. You don't have to pay no postage stamp. And this is it. This is it right here. This is how I'm getting 100 in my mailbox like clockwork, okay? And it has your name on it, my name, Robert. Here's your starter kit. And just very legit business, I'm telling you guys. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and there you go. So definitely request your club fun starter kit right now for free. Click that link below. We'll get you started. All right, and you'll receive this in the mail with a envelope already with a paid stamp on there, going to Club Cash Fund. All right, well, we'll talk to you later, guys. All right, bye.